Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Coin, give a little update on the overall crypto market, and I also want to talk about loaded lines a little bit. I know it's been a while and I'm just want to talk about a little update that they had. So guys, without further ado, we are at 7,180 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded line NFT. All you got to do is be subscribed to the channel, retweet this tweet, and if you are a YouTube member on the Crypto Report, you get plus 10 entries every single month. So without further ado, let's hop in. All right, guys. So right now, we're consolidating. Like I said, I think that the rest of January, or excuse me, the rest of February is going to be a basically a calm month. I think there's going to be a lot of consolidation. Maybe we'll have some big weekend moves, but all in all, I think we're going to have a pretty tame February, a month of consolidation. And honestly, that's kind of what we need. We came up about 40% on Bitcoin in January. I mean, it was like 46%. We'll measure it in a second. But guys, this is good. We need this consolidation. We really do. I mean, this is what we saw in the previous cycle. And with this consolidation, we're going to start seeing these altcoins run. I mean, Coin is up. I believe we touched 8.5 cents yesterday, and we're up 3.3% on the day. We're doing really well, guys. We're doing really well. But Coin's up, all the altcoins are up. It's looking good when Bitcoin's consolidating above 21,600, in between basically 21K and 24K. It's pretty bullish for the altcoins, guys. But let's look over at Coin a little bit deeper here. So we have this formation. We are trading inside of it, and we are getting closer and closer to a breakout. I've been calling for this. I've been saying that when we do break out of this, I think that, I mean, if we break to the upside of this, the target will be about the 12-cent range or the fair value. And if we can get some daily candle closes above the 12-cent range, then we're talking 16 cents, and then the next level would be 18 cents. And I mean, that's not that crazy to talk about and think about as price targets because, guys, a previous all-time high was $1, and there's just more and more crypto adoption happening right now. The attention in this crypto space right now throughout this bear market is mind-boggling. Compared to the previous cycles, it would be like a barren wasteland at this time of the bear cycle, of the Bitcoin cycle, and right now there's a lot of activity. There's a lot of attention on this market, and I think that really does mean that we're going to start seeing some altcoin moves happen a little bit more frequently and sooner than as we did in the previous cycles. And I mean, a lot of these, and what I also think is that a lot of these altcoins are going to hold their value throughout this bear market. I mean, I think the bottom's in, so we're kind of at the beginning of the bull market. It's semantics, basically, if we're at the beginning of the bull market or the end of the bear market. But we're looking good, guys. I'm looking for a breakout to the upside. And if you want to enter a long or a short, if you want to counter trade me, please go in the description box below, click and sign up to Femex or BitGet or even Binance. If you want to leverage trade, get up to, I think, $8,000 sign up bonus for BitGet, $4,600 for Femex. All you got to do is sign up, deposit, open a trade, and you can get up to a bunch of free money, so it's pretty cool. But let's look over at the S&P 500 because, guys, it is, if Bitcoin, if Bitcoin is what is the tide that raises the boats, the S&P 500 is the moon that raises the tides or moves the tides. I don't know, but the S&P 500 is breaking out of this, and it's fantastic. I love to see this. We've been talking about this for the past couple months. We are finally breaking out of this. We're getting some weekly candle closes. The next candle close, 2 days and 7 hours. Would love to see this close right here. And if we do close this, which it's looking pretty healthy, let's get some consolidation, some bullish continuation of the upside here for the rest of the month of February. And I think that that's kind of the outcome of what's going to happen here. And if that is the outcome, well then, we're talking bullish movement, bullish moves for Bitcoin, moves for altcoins. I mean, unfortunately, guys, I know some of you guys don't like to look at the traditional market, but the traditional market is really important to look at as a tool for where crypto's headed. So just keep that in mind. I always am looking at the S&P 500 to see where I think the next moves are going to be for crypto. But so over on Bitcoin, I mean, we're just looking so good on Bitcoin, guys. We're looking so good. We're starting to have the momentum come up. It's really good, guys. I mean, we are getting these weekly candle closes. We didn't even come to retest this 19,005. We are at. I mean, if we keep getting these closes, I mean, we got a weekly candle close in 4 days and 9 hours. This is bullish. This is pure bullish continuation right here. I think that the next target here is going to be breaking 25,000. But like I said, I really think that the rest of this month is going to be kind of consolidation. But we could have some big moves on the weekends. We could. I mean, that's been kind of the name of the game as of recently. But overall, I think that weekend trades are really, really difficult. And I wouldn't recommend trading on weekends. It's very, very difficult to figure out where the market's going to go. It's quite funky, if I would be to use a word for it. But guys, we are getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. This is the formation I'm starting to see. I would like to see that happen. I mean, as long as you don't get a pandemic dump like back here, no crazy, crazy black swan events, which I think kind of our black swan event was FTX collapsing. I think that was the black swan event, and I mean, it doesn't mean that we can't have another one. Sure, we got a little bit of time until this halving. We got at least a year here, but the closer and closer we get to this Bitcoin halving, the more likely that we're going to start seeing these upward price movements to retest previous highs of 69,000. And you know, that's it's pretty awesome to think about hitting 69,000 before we even reach this Bitcoin halving. I mean, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about that. I mean, I think that we'll be around $30,000 by the Bitcoin halving, maybe even 50,000. It depends on how the institutions interact with crypto leading into this Bitcoin halving to figure out where the macroeconomics stand in about a year. Very, very curious. But you know, I was talking to Crypto Kip the other day, and we were talking about how some people are calling for a Bitcoin bull run in 2025, and you know, I think that might be a little bit too far away. I really do. And I mean, don't hold me to that statement, but I do think that that might be a little bit too far away. I mean, we're starting to get some pretty good price moves here, and I think that there's more tension on Bitcoin right now than there ever was. And I think that that is a powerful thing to think about. I think that we could be having some bigger rallies right after the Bitcoin halving, right in 2024, maybe the beginning of 2024, maybe in November. November is usually a good month for bullish action in a bull market. But I mean, we could just start there. We could just start. Maybe we could break 69,000 in November, and we could start breaking the previous all-time highs and go into price discovery. But I do think that it's gonna catch everybody by surprise. That's how it always is. That's how always the market goes. Max pain, catch people by surprise. And that's why DCAing is the most important thing to do, in my opinion, especially if you're not day trading, swing trading, whatever you may be doing. I think the best way to make money in the crypto space is by dollar cost averaging in projects you truly believe in, and into the blue chips like Bitcoin and Ethereum, CRO. But everyone's got their own strategy. Everyone's got their own strategy. I personally like to have a DCAing portfolio, a trading portfolio, an NFT portfolio. You know, I like to do different things in the crypto space and not intermingle the funds. But it's not financial advice, guys. Just my 2 cents on it. But I do want to give a quick update on the Loaded Lions main city. So they did come out with an announcement on February 1st. It said just ordered these two adorable floats for the mansions, Infinity Pool and Main City. The swimming pool with a swimming pool this nice, you've got to have an accessory to match. You know, and they said, landowners, fret not, while our game devs are working day and night to perfect the game match and get ready for some roaring updates the next couple of weeks. Stay tuned for more information on in-game mechanics, contests and giveaways, fun and challenging activities, crucial date reveals coming soon. You know, I'm happy that they said that. I'm happy that they're actually being a little bit more active with the community. Would have really liked to see a little bit more of a solid announcement than that. They were talking about how they were going to have an announcement in January, and that announcement was basically an announcement of an announcement, and now this is an announcement. It's kind of getting redundant here, but I need some some substance, please, some substance. The loaded lines need some substance, guys. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and also please consider joining as a member to our channel. So when you do become a member, all you gotta do is click join button on our home screen, or go into in the description box of this video and click join. You get custom emojis and custom loyalty badges for every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time when we have our live streams, as well as in our comment section of our videos. You can use these emojis, and you'll have your custom loyalty badges. But on top of that, we do have a private Discord where I give away NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spots, as well as trading signals, and more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries at winning this loaded line NFT, which is about $2,500. Super excited to give this away, guys. More giveaways to come. But that's all I got. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.